To draw a pair of scissors, you're going to need a pencil and a pen and an eraser. But let's not talk about it. Let's do it. Okay, this is not an easy thing to draw. So we're going to have a nice straight line like that, and a nice straight line like that. And these are going to be the actual kind of cutting blades. So if you see, that's actually slightly curved there, but that comes straight all the way down there, and this comes straight all the way down there. So this is the cutting edge. So we're going to want to have a curve sort of coming around there, and then it can sort of come in a bit smaller like that, and then here again also. So that's going to be kind of the central point. So we want, imagine you've got a compass there, and you can sort of come around in a curve there, so that will want to be the same distance there, and we'll have something very similar happening here that'll be coming sort of narrower and narrower down to there, and then that will then come straight up there, and then this again will then sort of come in a little bit of a curve like that, and again they'll want to be kind of the same distance. We want a kind of a little ellipsy kind of thing like that, and then the handles will be going off actually in a similar angle and like that, so they'll be going off there, and they'll come around in a curve like that, and then this will be coming across like that and around there. So that sort of does this weird kind of thing like that and like that and this will be doing this weird kind of thing that's sort of going across like that and like that. If you saw last week's How to Draw a Stone, it's a very similar kind of thing, and that can actually be a little bit more, it looks a bit thin, doesn't it? So that can be a bit stronger there. So let's start with these lines here, and this is going to come straight across to there, and that's going to come across to there and sort of straight across, and then quite chunkily to there. This is going to do something similar, but it's going to go underneath, so that will come to there and across to there, and then maybe we'll blunt the end there a little bit, and that will come across to there. Oh, that's gone over, and underneath, and then up to there like that. We're going to have a little rivet in the middle like that. This blade here is pretty flat, but this one here actually wants to have a kind of a curve on it like that, and then it also wants to have a kind of an edge to it there like that as well. Let's draw these bits around there at the back there, and then we can come around, that will come forward there, and then we want to have these finger holds, handles. So there's a technical scissory word for it, but I can't think what it is. And we'll come around like that, and then we'll do it like that, and then like that. When you're absolutely sure the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines. And we're going to have a little bit of sort of shade coming under there, and probably a bit around there, and some maybe on there, and a little bit under there, and a little bit under there. You can maybe put a little bit of kind of curving lines like that around if you want, just to help it along. And then you're probably going to want to have sort of shiny lines like that, and there will probably be a little bit of shade in underneath there, and maybe a bit under there too, like that. And there you go, how to draw a pair of scissors real easy. Make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back every week for lots more drawing videos. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.